Lagi ko kasing sinasabi sa sarili ko, kung kaya ng iba, kaya ko rin o baka higit pa. Yun lang yun. My nickname is Bien. I'm with Security Bank for the last 36 years.
Hi, so I'm Tash.
Hi, my name is Shai. I am an engineer.
Hi, I am Yen.
Hi, I'm Nix.
I'm Harold.
Hi, I'm Leon. I've been working with the bank for almost 34 years.
As a Gen Z, it is important for me yung continuous growth and development talaga. And I really want to learn new skills, explore opportunities, and I want to work in an workplace where my ideas are heard.
You know, as a Gen Z, we tend to be overthinkers and medyo hindi namin na-realize yung capabilities namin. No? Nauunahan siya minsan ng overthinking.
As a senior executive of Security Bank, my developmental goals are centered on 3 key areas. Strengthening on my strategic leadership, building a deeper bench of future leaders, and number 3, driving sustainable business growth for my team and for the bank as well.
I started out as an intern and I am now a full-time security banker. So last year, I was a business partner enablement intern. That experience gave me a real understanding of how the bank works and how data projects were being delivered.
For me, the BLAST program was both transformative and insightful. It gave me an opportunity to really step back and reflect on my leadership style, decision-making, and overall impact to my team and the bank as well.
I was one of the cadets and it was Security Bank's first cadetship program. So right after graduation, it piqued my interest. It took us 3 months for the training, and then for the last part, there was a capstone presentation, and it was really a great opportunity for me.
So as a sales associate, they would tell me na mag-SA ka because if you reach your quota for 6 months already, you'd be promoted to JAM. So doon ko na isip na, wow, may future pala talaga ako here sa Security Bank.
When I was hired in 1989, rank 4 ako noon. Yung aking focus noon, ayoko maging staff forever. Nagpupurso akong ma-promote. Like for example, nung ang executive training program na introduce. Tapos, after graduation, automatic assistant manager na kami nun.
During my internship, my mentor actually helped me with my technical skills as a project manager and also my communication skills. So the HR and the EDO were very supportive in my growth. So that's why my experience was very enjoyable and meaningful.
The training is different from the past. Right now, it's tailor-fit. It's role-based. The trainings now are very flexible kasi pwede ka na sa Hero Learning, pwede sa LinkedIn. Unlike before na you have to go to head office para mag face-to-face training. Ngayon, flexible na. At saka, it's up to you kung kailan mo gustong tapusin yung training na naka-assign sa'yo.
All the sales trainings na I received from the program really helped me to be where I am right now.
Right after the training, learning doesn't stop. And after that, I also had the opportunity to join external training. Napakadaming opportunities yung binigay ni Security Bank sa akin. Especially as a fresh graduate na super dami pang matututunan.
Natutuwa lang ako kasi may mga boss na talagang nakikita yung effort mo. Hinoon kasi ako nung time ng mga yon ng mga boss namin na hindi lang ito ang dapat mong gawin, kundi gumawa ka pa ng ibang activities na para ma-improve yung work mo. Kasi parang kung manual kang gumagawa ngayon, hindi lang dapat nandyan ka. Kailangan nag-i-improve ka. Kaya ngayon meron tayong core values na innovation. So hindi lang siya dapat nag-i-stay dun sa kung anong ginagawa mo lang ngayon, yun lang yon.
as a fresh grad na biglang sinabak sa corporate world, super big help sa akin ng mentors ko and teammates ko back then na they really helped me makapag-adjust and they really guided me through everything step by step, like from learning the processes, handling challenges, and also sa pag-build ng confidence ko sa sarili ko. And honestly, sobrang laking bagay na yun as someone who's starting out.
My current heads and my supervisor were very patient with me because as a fresh grad, I didn't know anything about the bank. My teammates, my heads were very supportive and they really helped me with the questions that I asked them.
Even if sometimes super busy nila with their own work, they find time to teach me and they never made me feel like I'm too new to learn. Instead, they guided me and trusted me with actual responsibilities and yung systems na hinandle ko.
I've been here for 20 years, and the secret ingredient of Security Bank has always been the people, the culture, and we cannot have this kind of secret ingredient without the leaders. Really try to prioritize internal candidates rather than getting candidates from outside the organization. Because for me, that's really one way of showing that you are invested to the people you have built in.
Kasi training champion din ako. Part ako ng training champion wherein nagtuturo ako sa mga management trainee, sa mga newbies, sa mga new hires natin. Yung mga yon para sa akin, binabalik ko lang sa bangko kung ano yung natutunan ko sa bangko. Yun yung tinatawag na institutional knowledge. Kailangan ipasa mo yon para naman sila, may malaman naman din sila.
When people ask what learning is about here at Security Bank, for me, it's really about being intentional in how we help our people grow. That's why we've built an integrated learning ecosystem where employees become more aware of what they're good at and even more importantly, the areas they want to improve on. And from there, we support them with structured and customized learning pathways so they can build the skills they need to succeed today and be effective and confident in their current roles while also preparing for what's next and future-proofing their growth. Because when people are given the right opportunities and support, they grow, gain confidence, and realize what they are capable of.
One key realization was the importance of leading with intention. Not just only driving for numbers or results, but developing people along with it and building sustainable performance as well.
Learning on the job was both exciting and challenging. Minsan, there were moments na napapaisip ako na like, wait, ako ba to? In the corporate world, doing adult things. Pero I realized na through those experiences, I discovered na I am more capable and adaptable than I thought na kaya ko palang mag-handle ng pressure, na mag-solve ng problems, and to communicate professionally while still being myself.
Parang sa akin, bawat bigay sa trabaho, i-take kita sa challenge. Kasi parang pag hindi mo tinik yung trabaho, parang sa'yo, lagi magrereklamo. Kasi nga lagi kang laging, ay, may trabaho na naman ako. Pero hindi mo alam, dinedevelop ka na pala nung boss mo na kaya ka binibigyan ng trabaho kasi tinetrain ka na pala, hindi mo alam, unaware ka na may ganun pala.
I discovered that, wow, I can do anything when I'm with Security Bank because the stability and growth that Security Bank has provided, it has taught me valuable lessons in leadership, resilience, services, helping me become a better leader talaga.
Mas discover ko na yung mga bagay na initially naisip ko na hindi ko kaya, pero napangunahan lang talaga ng takat nung una. So after the training, so I realized eventually, pag nabigyan ka talaga ng chance to learn more, then doon mo mas madidiscover yung capabilities mo.
Naibigay naman sa akin yung gusto kong mangyari sa career ko sa Security Bank. Kaya grateful ako.
Security Bank made a big impact, not just in my life, but also for my family. Kasi having a stable and supportive workplace really helped me to become more confident and independent.
For my family, I'm just so blessed and thankful to the bank for always giving me that opportunity. For 20 years, I've been handling different positions, and I'm a living testament of how Security Bank create opportunities.
I am truly grateful for the opportunity and that I find my experience here very meaningful and enjoyable, not only because of the work from home setup, but also because of the people around me.
The financial stability, of course, because all the benefits that I received from Security Bank, it really helped me to give a better life for my children and to set a good example to them.
I can attest how Security Bank impacted my livelihood when I started, and look at me right now. I'm very, very blessed and just purely thankful to the bank.
Financially stable na ako ngayon, and then syempre emotionally, dahil parang hindi pala wala kang silbi sa mundo, wala kang silbi sa buhay mo, kundi parang dun sa mga achievements mo sa office, malaking impact sa akin yon. Security Bank is my family. This is my second home.
Ang Security Bank is my daily life. It's my family. It's my bread and butter. Marami akong natulungan. Marami ako napagtapos ng college. Tapos successful sila. I'm very happy. Kaya hindi ako naghahanap ng ibang work.
I'm very happy that I get to build my career while spending my time with the people I love the most.
My life at Security Bank is fulfilling.
My life at Security Bank makes me feel elated.
My life at Security Bank is inspiring.
My life at Security Bank is very fulfilling.
My life at Security Bank feels like I'm always evolving.
My life here at Security Bank is rewarding.
If I would sum up my life at Security Bank, it would be enriching.